Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rafi Ali and I'm here to make tech easy for you. So in today's tutorial, we're going to basically go through on how to integrate a domain with your funnel on Go High Level. Believe me, this is surely one of the most easiest tasks to do on Go High Level, yet people consider it so complicated. I literally have had clients on Upwork who were posting like to hire somebody to have it done for you. Believe me, guys, it's so easy and can be done within a minute. It's just that quick. So let me take you through my Go High Level account and show you how to do it. So let's go to the settings. From here, let's go to the domains. So you have to go to your sub account settings, and from here you have to go to the domains. Give it a second, it's loading. So it's there. So yeah, as you can see, my domain is here. Now let's just quickly delete it. So let me show you my domain. It's a subdomain, which is basically a CNAME record. So the domain is your crmexpert.pro, but I have added GLH as a CNAME record, which is basically a subdomain. So this is not the root domain, not the main domain. This is like creating a subdomain of your original domain for your funnel. So you can create multiple subdomains for out of one domain. I don't know if there is a limit or something like that on it, but you can create as many as you want. And when it comes to the main root domain, you can only connect it to one website or funnel at a time. Do not use the main uh, root domain for more than one thing, So it's just going to create conflicts. So now we click on add a new domain, and here you will get the instructions. So here it says, please make sure you either have a name record pointing to this value or a CNAME record pointing to this value for the domain. Now what's the difference between a name record and a CNAME record? So a name record is basically the domain name. Like the name record is the root domain. So for example, if our domain is, let's say, google.com, so google.com is the A name, is the A record, is the root domain. So if you want to have google.com as your funnels domain, then in that scenario you would have to install a name record in your domain's DNS second, in your domain's DNS settings. But in case, let's say you want to have a subdomain of that, for example, www, the most common CNAME record out there, it can be, let's say, offer.google.com, scale.google.com, like whatever you want it to be. It can be anything. This is the subdomain, which is the CNAME record, and in order to have that, you would have to install this value in your domain's DNS setting. So you can go with either one of them. Now let me take you through on how to do that. So first of all, you would have to come to your GoDaddy account. From here, you would have to go to the DNS settings of the domain that you want to have integrated with your Go High Level. Give it a second, it's loading. I see GoDaddy has launched a new interface. It's much better than before. So there is the domain. I don't know why it's so slow. From here you go to the domain. From here you go to manage DNS. It's so slow. Bear with me, please. Yep. So we are here now in the DNS settings. What you would have to do is you can click on add a new record from here. Now, like I said, if you want to have a CNAME record, so let's say the CNAME record is what I was originally using for this domain. It was this one. Let me copy this, the main domain. From here we go back, and it was GLH. This was the subdomain dot, and then the original domain here. And from here, now this is a CNAME record, right? This is a subdomain, a CNAME record. For that, we would copy this value over here, copy it, go back to your funnel DNS settings. From here in the values, add that. Make sure there are no spaces at the end or at the start. And from here, under the name, we would add the subdomain name, which is GLH in our case. So let's say if I add an offer here, I would change the name to offer. If I add in WWE, I would change the name to WWE, and so on. After that, the TTL, it would be 1 hour, and from here, I would basically have it saved. Now, once it is saved, give it a minute or so, and then it would be ready to integrate over Go High Level. So, oh, it's giving an error. Record with GLH conflicts with another record. Okay, so we already have this one. I'm sorry, I forgot. We already have this one here. So now, if I go in and click on add, it should be added. Give it a minute. Okay, it's added. It's loading. Okay, once it's loaded, this screen will pop up, which would allow you to directly install an integrated domain with your funnel. So I would go in here. As you can see, I have multiple funnels. I would go to GLH Expert. This is my booking funnel. From here, I can select the step as well, for which I want to make it the default domain. And then I would click on link domain in order to make sure that there are no conflicts. We're going to check it now. Give it a minute. Yep, after this, copy it. Right now, the funnel that I have on this domain is really crappy, to be honest. I just couldn't find time to have it edited. It's from last year, but anyways, I'm going to show you the test. So, boom, there you go. Almost we're there. Why is it so slow today? Yeah, boom. So as you can see, we are on the funnel. It's integrated successfully. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's super easy, super simple to do. I know I said it was a 1 minute thing and the video is like 6 minutes long, but the reason is that I try to explain you as much as possible, also giving you the knowledge of A name record and the C name record, what are the differences. Just to show you, in order to do it for the A name, you click on A name. From here, you would just leave it as it is, and then you would add in the value, which was the numbers for it, and then you would set the TTL for 1 hour, and then here under the domains you would have the main domain. Copy pasted here. Boom, we go up here, we add in here, we copy the CNAME, and we copy its value, and then we go ahead and paste it here. It's that easy. Once again, you can have multiple subdomains under one domain, but you can only connect the root domain, which is this one, the original domain, to one funnel at a time. You can create multiple subdomains out of one funnel and out of one domain and have it integrated with multiple funnels. But for the A name record, for the root domain, you can only have it integrated with one funnel or one website. Just remember, it's in order to avoid any conflicts. And